ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 11-34 द्रोणंच भीष्मं च जयद्रथंच द्रोणंच भीष्मं च जयद्रथंच पदच्छेदे द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथान्यानपि योधवीरान् पदच्छेदे कर्णं तथा अन्यान् अपि योधवीरान् मया हतांस्त्वं जहिमा व्यथिष्ठा पदच्छेदे मया हतान् त्वं जहिमा अव्यतिष्ठाः युध्यस्व जेतासि रणे सपत्नान् पदच्छेदे युध्यस्व जेता असि रणे सपत्नान् वाक्यांशशः विश्लेषणम् I have the columns here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयाः कर्मपदीयाः अन्ये सुबन्तः विधेयाः अव्ययानि कृदन्ताः तिङन्ताः त्वं द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णम्. I have put the S, H, ch with asterisk mark because as such they are avyayani, but they fit better as a phrase द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णम्. मया तथा हतान् अन्यानपि योधवीरान् जहि त्वं मा अव्यथिष्ठाः त्वं युध्यस्व त्वं सपत्नान् रणे जेता असि. Now this Kartrupadam Tvam is common across 1A, 1B, 1C. Actually, altogether it is one single sentence only. Your Hatan I have listed as Kridantaha because it is a Maya Hatan is a distinct separate Vakyamsha, and Tvam Jahi is another aspect, another aspect of that total Vakyam. It is very challenging to do this Vakyamsha Vishlešanam of the shloka. Tvam ma avyatishtaha. Tvam yudhyasva. Tvam sapatnan rane jeta asi. Anveshah shabdabhyasa. द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथा मया हतान् अन्यानपि योधवीरान् त्वं जहि. द्रोणं द्रोण पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. Name of the preceptor of the Kauravas and Pandavas. Dronaha was the son of the sage Bharadwaja and was so called because the seed which fell at the site of a nymph called Ghrutachi was preserved by the sage in a drona. Though a Brahmana by birth, Dronaha was well versed in the science of arms, which he learned from Parshurama. He afterwards taught the Kauravas and Pandavas the science of arms and archery. When, however, the great war commenced, he attached himself to the side of the Kauravas, and after Bhishma had been mortally wounded, lodged in the cage of darts, he assumed the command of the Kaurava forces and maintained the struggle for 4 successive days, achieving wonderful exploits and killing thousands of warriors on the Pandavas side. On the 15th day of the battle, the fight continued even during the night, and it was on the morning of the 16th that Bhima, at the suggestion of Krishna, said within Drona's hearing that Ashwatthama was slain. The fact being that an elephant named Ashwatthama had fallen on the field. Being at a loss to understand how that could be, he appealed to Yudhishthira, the truthful, who also, at the advice of Krishna, gave an evasive reply, uttered loudly the word Ashwatthama and added Gajaha, the elephant, in a very low tone. Sorely grieved at the death of his only son, the kind-hearted old father fell in a swoon, and Dhrishtadyumna, his avowed enemy, took advantage of this circumstance and cut off his head. Ch and अव्ययम. भीष्मम, भीष्म, पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया एकवचनम. भीष्म, एडजेक्टिव, भी नीच, सुख, अपादाने मक. टेरिबल, ड्रेडफुल, फ्राइटफुल, fearful. भीष्मो हि देवस सहस सहीयान. भीष्मो हि देवः, he is God. Bhishmaha, the sentiment of terror in rhetoric. See Bhayanaka. A demon, an imp, a fiend, a goblin, an epithet of Shiva. Name of the son of Shantanu by Ganga. Hrute Bhishme Hate Drone Shalye Che Nidhanam Gate. He was the youngest of the 8 sons of Shantanu by Ganga. But all the others having died, he remained the sole heir to the throne after his father. On one occasion, while Shantanu was walking by the side of a river, he beheld a charming young damsel named Satyavati, the daughter of a fisherman, and though bowed down with age, conceived a passion for her and sent his son to negotiate the marriage. But the parents of the girl said that if their daughter bore sons to the king, they would not succeed to the throne, for after his death, Shantanavaha, that is Bhishma, being the rightful heir, would be the king. But Shantanavaha, to please his father, made a vow to the parents that he would never accept the kingdom or marry a wife or become the father of children by any woman, so that if their daughter bore a son to Shantanu, he would be the king. This dreadful vow soon became known abroad, and thenceforth he was called Bhishma. He remained single, and after the death of his father, he installed Vichitravirya, the son of Satyavati, onto the throne, got him married to the 2 daughters of King Kashiraja, and became the guardian of his sons and grandsons, the Kauravas and Pandavas. In the great war, he fought on the side of the Kauravas, but was wounded by Arjuna with the assistance of Shikhandi and was lodged in a cage of darts. But having got from his father the power of choosing his own time for death, he waited till the sun had crossed the vernal equinox and then gave up his soul. He was remarkable for his continence, wisdom, firmness of resolve, and unflinching devotion to God. Jayadratham, Jayadratha, Pullingam, Dvitiya Ekvachanam, Jayan Rathaha Yasya Saha, Jayadratha. One whose chariot is always victorious. Jayan. Jayan, Jidhato, Shatru Visheshanam, Jayat, victorious. Atra Pullingam, victorious or winning. Atra Pullingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Rathaha, chariot. Pullingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Jayadratha, a king of the Sindhu district and brother-in-law of Duryodhana, having married Dushala, daughter of Dhritarashtra. Once, while out on hunting, he chanced to see Draupadi in the forest and asked of her food for himself and his retinue. Draupadi, by virtue of her magical sthali, was able to supply him with materials sufficient for their breakfast. Jayadratha was so much struck with this act, as well as her personal charm, that he asked her to elope with him. She, of course, indignantly refused, but he succeeded in carrying her off, as her husbands were out on hunting. When they returned, they pursued and captured the ravisher and released Draupadi, and he himself was allowed to go after having been subjected to many humiliations. He took a leading part in compassing the death of Abhimanyu and met his doom at the hands of Arjuna in the Great War. Karanam, Karana, Pullingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam, name of a celebrated warrior on the side of Kauravas, mentioned in the Mahabharatam, Bhavan Bhishmasya Karnasya, same shloka. He was the son of Kunti, begotten by her by the god Surya, while she was yet a virgin, residing at her father's house. When the child was born, Kunti, afraid of the censure of her relatives and also of public scandal, let the boy be flown across the river waters, where he was found by Adhiratha, charioteer of Dhritarashtra, and given over to his wife Radha, who brought him up like her own child. Whence Karna is often called Sutaputraha, Suta Adhiratha, the charioteer, Radheyaha, son of Radha, etc. Karna, when grown up, was made king of Angaha, the Angadesha, by Duryodhana, and became, by virtue of his many generous acts, a type of charity. On one occasion, Indra, whose care it was to favor his son Arjuna, disguised himself as a Brahmana and cajoled him out of his divine armor and earrings, and gave him in return a charmed javelin. With a desire to make himself proficient in the science of war, he, that is Karna, calling himself a Brahmana, went to Parshurama and learned that art from him. But his secret did not long remain concealed. On one occasion, when Parshurama had fallen asleep, with his head resting on Karna's lap, a worm, supposed by some to be the form assumed by Indra himself to defeat Karna's object, began to eat into his lap and made a deep rent in it. But as Karna showed not the least sign of pain, his real character was discovered by his preceptor Parshurama, who cursed him that the art he had learned would avail him not in times of need. On another occasion, he was cursed by a Brahmana whose cow he had unwittingly slain in the chase, and the earth would eat up the wheel of his chariot in the hour of trial. Even with such disadvantages as these, he acquitted himself most valiantly in the great war between the Kauravas and Pandavas, while acting as the generalissimo of the Kauravas' forces after Bhishma and Drona had fallen. He maintained the field against the Pandavas for 3 days, but on the last day he was slain by Arjuna, while the wheel of his chariot had sunk down into the earth. Karna was the most intimate friend of Duryodhana, and with Shakuni joined him in all the various schemes and plots that were devised from time to time for the destruction of the Pandavas. Tatha, as also Avayam, Maya, Asmat Sarvanama, Tritiya Ekvachanam. Hatan, Han dhatoh तविशेषणम हत किल अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम अन्यान अन्यत अदर सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम अपि also अव्ययम योधवीरान योधवीर विशेषणम अत्र पुल्लिंगम द्वितीया बहुवचनम योधाः च असौ वीरः च योधवीरः योधाः शब्दकल्पद्रुमे पुल्लिंगम युध्यति इति युद्ध अच योद्धा वॉरियर वीरः वीर अजेहिर विभावश्च एडजेक्टिव heroic brave mighty powerful excellent eminent वीरः a hero warrior champion कोप्येश संप्रतिनवः पुरुषावतारो वीरो न यस्य भगवान भृगुनंदनोपि Purushavatar, Viro. The sentiment of heroism in rhetoric. Astoka Vira Guru Sahasam Adbhutancha. It is distinguished under 4 heads. Oh, okay. Dana Vira, Dharma Vira, Daya Vira, and Yuddha Vira. Oh, Daya Vira is interesting. So, being forgiving or considerate to the disgrace or discomfort or griefs of other people, Dayavir and Yuddhavir. For explanation these words, see SV, that is some Sanskrit vocabulary. Tvam Yushmat Sarvanama Prathama Ekvachanam Jahi Han Dhatoh Loti Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam Dvitiya Ganiyaha Han Hang हिंसागत्योः अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी सकर्मकः अनिट् टू किल हिंसागत्योः टू किल टू डिस्ट्रॉय टू गो त्वं मा अव्यथिष्ठाः मा डू नॉट अव्ययम् अव्यथिष्ठाः व्यत् धातोः लुङ् लकारे मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम् व्यथ व्यथं भयसञ्चलनयोः भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः सेट् टू बी वेक्स्ड भयसञ्चलनयोः टू फियर टू बी एंग्री भय टू बी एग्री टू बी वेक्स्ड टू बी अफ्रेड टू बी इरिटेटेड टू फियर भय संचलनयोः टू बी वेक्स्ड टू बी इरिटेटेड त्वं युध्यस्व युध्यस्व युद्ध धातोः लोटि मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनं युद्ध युद्धं संप्रहारे टू फाइट दिवादिः चतुर्थगणीयः आत्मनेपदी अकर्मकः अनिट् त्वं रणे स्वपत्नान् सपत्नान् जेता असि रणे रण बैटल नपुंसकलिङ्गं सप्तमी एकवचनं सपत्नान् सपत्न विशेषणम् अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनं सपत्न एडजेक्टिव होस्टाइल इनिमिकल सपत्नः एन एनिमी एडवर्सरी अराइवल शब्दकल्पद्रुमे सपत्नः पुल्लिङ्गं सहपतित एकार्थे इति पत नः सहस्य सः शत्रुः इति अमरः जेता जी धातोः तृच् विशेषणं जेतृ अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनं जि अभिभवे न्यूनीभवने भवने न्यूनीकरणे टू बिकम स्मॉल diminutive so diminishing to win to conquer to dislike to refrain भ्वादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट् असि अस् धातोः लटि मध्यमपुरुषः एकवचनम् अस् असं भुवि टू बी टू एग्जिस्ट अदादिः द्वितीयगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट् अन्वयार्थः ओवरऑल मीनिंग द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च कर्णं तथा मया हतान् अन्यानपि योधवीरान् त्वं जहि यू स्ले द्रोण एंड भीष्म एंड जयद्रथ एंड कर्ण as well as the other heroes all already slain by me त्वं मा अविथिष्ठः do not get distressed युध्यस्व fight रणे सपत्नान् जेता असि you shall win over enemies in the battle छंदो विश्लेषणं द्रोणं च भीष्मं च जयद्रथं च एकादश अक्षराणि द्रोणं च द्वे द्वे एका भीष्मं च द्वे द्वे एका जयद्र एका द्वे एका थं च द्वे द्वे मात्राः त त ज ग ग गणैः इन्द्रवज्रावृत्तं कर्णं तथान्यानपि योधवीरान् कर्णं त ओ या कर्णं त कर्णम या ओके कर्णम बिकॉज ऑफ र क इज द्वे मात्रा बिकॉज ऑफ अनुस्वर रम इज द्वे मात्रा एंड त एक द्वे द्वे एका थान्यान ओ द्वे द्वे एका पियोध एका द्वे एका वीरान द्वे द्वे मात्रा अगेन त त ज ग ग गणैः इन्द्रवज्रावृत्तम् मया हतांस्त्वं जहिमा व्यथिष्ठा एकादश अक्षराणि मया ह एका द्वे एका तांस्त्वं ज द्वे द्वे एका हिमाव्य एका द्वे एका द्वे द्वे मात्राः सो जत ज ग ग गणैः उपेन्द्रवज्रावृत्तं युध्यस्व जेतासि रणे सपत्नान् एकादश अक्षराणि युध्यस्व युद्ध सो बिकॉज ऑफ ध्य यू इज द्वे बिकॉज ऑफ स्व ध्य इज द्वे सो द्वे द्वे एका जेतासि द्वे द्वे एका रणे स एका द्वे एका पत्नान् द्वे द्वे मात्राः त त ज ग ग गणैः इन्द्रवज्रावृत्तं So only the third line is Upendra Vajra. Anyway, altogether, अस्मिन् एकादशाध्याये चतुर्त्रिंशत्तमे श्लोके उपजाति छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self-study. I am ever indebted to my father that he inculcated in me the dictionary habit for all linguistic studies. What amazing and engaging information is given in a Aptech dictionary on each of the characters, Dronaha, Bhishma, Jayadratha, and Karna. Almost the whole biopic is given. Sri Krishna has made specific mention of Dronaha, Bhishma, Jayadratha, and Karna. Arjuna's problem was fighting against Dronaha, Bhishma. See, Katham Bhishmam Sankhe Dronancha Madhusudano Ishu Vipratyotsyami Pujarha Varisudano 2-4. Duryodhana had mentioned Acharyam Upasangamya Nayakamam Sainyasya Saudnyarthantan Pravimite Bhavan, that is Acharya Dronaha, Bhishmaha cha, Karnaha cha, Krupaha cha, Samitinjayaha, Ashwathama, Vikarnaha cha, Saumadatti tathaiva cha. And there is a alternative patha, Saumadattir Jayadratha. Interesting it is to connect the dots. So how different characters have been mentioned at different places. Sri Krishna mentioning Dronaha, Bhishma, Jayadratha, Karna as the main warriors. Arjuna mentioning Bhishmam cha Dronam cha. And Duryodhana mentioning Mama Sainyasya Nayakaha, who all Bhavan, Bhishma cha, Karna cha, Krupaha cha, Samitinjaya, Ashwathama, Vikarnaha, Saumadatti, and maybe also Jayadratha. So it is interesting to connect the dots, right? In Rane, Sapatnan Jeta Asi. In this Vakyamsha, though Asi is in present tense, coming from Sri Krishna is benediction, Ashirvachana. It is a convention in Sanskrit that one embarks on any task seeking his blessings. One finds such verses of eulogy and prayer at the beginning of every other Sanskrit literature. Those verses are called as Mangalacharanam. Here also, this benediction by Sri Krishna is after a long eulogy by Arjuna, having cited the ferocious Vishwarupa Darshanam. Shubhamastu. Note, I have added this study of Shloka 11-34 in the blog post also, which I will link up again in my description box of this particular video. Shubhamastu.